Hey trophies, welcome back to I Jump Instead and welcome to this 15-minute muscle flex Monday rebounder workout, beginner friendly, all levels welcome because we're jumping on a resistance mat, which means you can push harder and move faster if you want to increase your intensity. I'm so excited to do this class with you today. Thank you so much for joining me. Get ready to work your jawline, to work your arms and your abs and your back and your glutes and your legs because we're hitting every muscle in the entire body in just 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and start with 1 minute of warm up. So come into that balanced posture where you're right over the center of your mat and you're nice and tall, jaw is closed. Excellent. Now relax your eyes and your shoulders and then do some hip thrusting with me. Loosen up that lower back, stretch out your core, keep it easy, just the heels are bobbing. Perfect. Now let's do some hip twists. Come up on the balls of your feet, stretching through your ankles. Point those knees out to the side. Sink into your hips. Perfect. Let's do some ankle rolling. So bring your bounce to an all-time low and roll out and in. Just barely bouncing. 4 and 3. Very gentle. 2 and 1. Perfect. Now bounce up to a boogie here. Let's do some jaw exercises, mouthing the alphabet, 2 bounces per letter. Exaggerate your jaw movements. No voice needed. 3, 2, 1. A, B, Y, and Z. Go ahead and relax your jaw muscles while you keep your teeth closed, lips together. We're gonna keep doing this boogie for 10 more seconds. We're gonna be doing glute squeezes and squat bounces through the entire workout. So we're gonna start with a 15 times 4 segment. So let's start with glute squeeze. Squeeze those buns for 15 seconds. So I really need you to dig into those buns. Keep the balls of your feet connected to the mat and then bob your heels, tuck your buns, and dig. Perfect. Now switch to a parallel position and let's go into a squat bob where we're gonna work through the flat foot, activating the full leg. Keep your core strong. Perfect. Switching back to glute squeeze here. Excellent. Dig into those buns, trophies. Sometimes we can dig at 30% intensity. Sometimes we can dig at 80% intensity. Just do your best in this moment. Let's go back to squat bob and push. Find your coordination with your rebounder mat because all rebounder mats bounce differently. Let's get into our bodybuilding, muscle flexing, glute squeeze to start. Here we go. Squeeze the buns, reach your arm out, and then twist for 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch and reach. 4, 3, 2, 1, and reach. 4, 3, squeeze your buns, 1, and switch. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 4, 3, really reach and switch, staying up the center of your mat. 2, 1, and squat bob. Relax, push with your flat feet. And make it easy for yourself. So if you're more upright, that's fine. If you're lower and faster, that's fantastic. Use your handlebar to increase your performance. Back to the glute squeeze with a waist hold. 2 and 1. Squeeze your buns, arm on your waist. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 4, 3. Stand like a trophy. 1. Switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, tight lips. 2, 1, teeth closed. 2, 1, super strong glutes. 2, 1, and squat bob. This is when we get to really relax and just come into our lower body, keeping our teeth closed. And play around with it too. Because if you just move a few steps back or you move a few steps out, you might find yourself in a better coordination and then have more fun with this move. So it just depends on what feels best for you in this moment. 2 and 1. Squeeze the buns, reach your arm back and twist. 3, 2, 1, and reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach, keep your tricep right next to your lat. 2, 1, and reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tight lips, teeth closed, and switch. Squeeze those buns. 2, 1, and squat bob. Calm your breath. You got a nice 30 seconds to relax. Back at the top, reaching out as far as we can with our glutes nice and squeezed. Push with your quads here. Give me all you got for 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your buns, reach, twist. 3, 2, 1, switch. 4, 3, really reach. 1, switch. 4, 3, and switch. 2, 1, switch, staying right up the middle of your mat. 2, 1, excellent job. Buns, buns. 2, 1, and squat bob. Eyes relaxed, smile for me. Shoulders are relaxed, but your core is strong. Your legs are activated through your flat foot. Feet, both feet. Back to the waist hold. Next, give me all you got. Feel like a trophy. 3, 2, squeeze those buns. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 2, 1, and switch. Tight lips. 2, 1, switch. 2, 1, switch, feeling your lats engaged. 2, 1, switch, feeling your shoulders engaged. 2, 1, and relax, squat bob. Find your perfect endurance and stick with it. Doesn't matter what your speed is, you're still getting reps, you're still putting resistance against your trophy legs. Fantastic work. Make sure that your feet are nice and flat for me. Tricep reaches next. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your buns, reach and twist. 3, 2, 1, and switch. 2, 1. Teeth are closed. 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Buns are super squeezed. 2, 1. Reach your arm back. 3, 2, 1. And squat bob. Relaxed eyes. Poise. You can play around with your pelvic tilt. You can stick your booty out. You can tuck your booty under. Find what feels best for your trophy body, keeping your core strong. You've got your handlebar to keep you safe and aligned. Back to Vitruvian, last set. 2, 1. Tuck your buns, reach and twist. 3, 2, 1. Reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach, staying really aligned. 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1, reach. 2, 1, last one. 4, 3, 2, 1, and squat bob. Give me a smile to help you relax your eyes and your mind and your body while you feel the bottoms of your feet translating up through your full legs. Lower yourself just a little bit more. There you go. Fantastic. You've got your handlebars, so you can lean a little back. Just a bit. Strong core. Waist hold is next. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your buns. Waist hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 2, 1. Firm like a trophy. 2, 1. Teeth are closed. 3, 2, 1. Switch. 2, 1. Switch. Excellent. 3, 2, 1. And relax your buns and pump those quads. Calming your breath and your mind. Beautiful job. Last set, trophies, doing the tricep reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your buns, reach and twist. 3, 2, 1. Buns are still squeezed. 2, 1. Reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach. Keeping your tricep into your lat. 2, 1. Squeeze your buns. 4, 3, 2, 1. And reach. 4, 3. Teeth are closed. Squat bounce. Feeling the balance between being relaxed and being strong and poised. Excellent job. The next minute is going to be 3 mini squats and then health bounce rest every 15 seconds. 2 and 1. So 3 mini squats. If you want to do more squats, you're welcome. 2 and 3. And what I like to do is find my perfect number per 15-second segment to keep me on trophy track. 3 more. You could even reduce this down to 2 or 1. I doubt you'll be doing just 1 after that. Fantastic workout. Just relax and health bounce. You want to stay in the nose breathing zone. So if you're pushing it with squats, make sure that you honor your heart rate and your lung capacity so you're comfortable in your nose breathing zone. 3 more. Excellent. For the last minute, we're going to do jogging or boogie, whichever you prefer. I'm going to give you the opportunity to do the full jog with one hand on the handlebar. So we're going to jog here and swing the one arm at a time. If you just want to be boogieing here, that's fine too. And just relax all of your muscles. I just want us to get 1 more minute here of full body heart rate activation. Let's go ahead and switch at the 30. So we'll stay here. Keeping that poised trophy posture. Switch arms through your spine and your jawline. Working up the center of your mat, trophies. Excellent. You can wide jog. That's fine too. It can sometimes be a little quieter. Excellent. The last minute, we're going to do bottoms up. So we're going to be bending over. If you can only go so far, 3, 2, 1. You're welcome to watch for this minute and see what I do, and then you can take this to the side of a couch. What we're going to be doing is leaning over, holding our handlebar all the way down. Now I'm close to the rim of my rebounder. I'm going to step back so that I'm just far enough so I can put my palm down on the rim and bob through the backs of my legs. And if I'm flexible enough, I'm going to take both palms down to the rim of my rebounder and gently bob. But if you do have the arm of a couch, So you have your rebounder right next to the couch. This is phenomenal. So I love having my rebounder next to a couch at all times so that in the evening times I can stretch the backs of my legs, keep the backs of my legs super stretched out and relaxed to prevent back pain. And then we can move our feet around, pointing outward, pointing a little inward. We can have our feet parallel and lift the toes up. Perfect. And then we can come up on the ball of one foot, and then we can come up on the ball of the other foot. And then we can even take the opportunity to lift our head and come down to a nice deep squat. And then we can work into hip flexibility here, and then be safe with our handlebar support. Perfect. Just a little bit. We can work into our ankle flexibility a little bit more. Hips, knees, and then when we're ready, let's bring our head up and then start to come back up the handlebar. And then when we feel nice and safe and balanced and realigned, we can baby bounce here and reset and pump and then relax our bodies. Beautiful. Wonderful job, trophies. Now that you do the work, now that you've done the workout once through, you can know what you're in for the next time you do it, so you can be right on the beat the best you can. Maybe this is already your second time through. Fantastic work. And then again, I strongly recommend, highly recommend that you have your rebounder next to a couch in the evening time so that you can work into your bottoms up, because having that flexibility in the backs of your legs is super important for mobility and health throughout your life, the rest of your life. And so it's just good practice to do regularly. And then of course, jumping instead daily is also very important. So thank you so much for joining me for this workout. Please give the video a like if you loved it. See you very soon, trophies. Lots of love. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.